Hey folks, it's Brittany, your friendly plant-loving internet stranger, back with another video. Today I'm repotting two succulents that I keep knocking around because they are too top-heavy for the plastic nursery pots they're in. To begin, I need to mix up more potting soil. I like to mix this Miracle-Gro indoor potting mix and this reptile bark for drainage. I will sometimes add perlite, but I didn't have any on this particular occasion. I picked both of these plants up at the Easter Market in Detroit last summer. I'm not sure exactly what either of them are, but the longer one looks like an elephant bush. They weren't labeled when I purchased them. The two planters that I'll be repotting them into was featured in a recent plant haul of plant-related items. I've linked that video if you want to check it out. These planters also did not come with drainage holes, so I drilled the holes in myself. I also filmed that process if you're interested in checking it out. Overall, this was a very straightforward repotting, and the main purpose was just to put the plants in a sturdier pot to prevent them from tipping over. I'm hoping that by repotting these plants, this will allow the elephant bush to fill out a bit more because it lost a lot of leaves due to it being top heavy and it constantly being knocked over. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.